Just got some new goodies in. Let's check them out. Up first, we have Coffee Over Cardio Secret Stash, their new vanilla bean creamy vanilla. Sounds good. Next up, we have Brock's Classic Jelly Bird Eggs, Team Green. Brand new variety from Brock's, the desserts of the world. The flavors sound very legit. Can't wait to try these. Gallery Candy sent me over the Fruit Loops gummies. They all taste the same, but they're pretty damn good. The Fruit Loops cereal straws, I'm also a big fan of these. A fun time indeed. And the new Fruit Loops jelly beans, which I have yet to try. Can't wait to crack this open. Cute AF stuffed animal comes with a package of jelly beans. It says its name is Ivy. Fruit Punch Lollipop Bouquet Adorbs. A few mystery eggs. Let's crack these open. We got jelly beans and stickers. You can find these all in stores right now. Thanks so much, Coffee Over Cardio, Gallery Candy, and Brock's.